traveler without boundaries towards the distant. Explore the infinite, achieve the ground. Innovate endlessly, reach the heights. Metavast Group, in the journey of industrial transformation, is keeping pace with the advancements of Industry 4.0, aligning with the era of intelligent innovation, breaking through traditional industry boundaries. We focus on future trends, and through technology and innovation, we drive a new chapter in corporate development. Metavast Group oversees 9 subsidiary companies, spanning across 8 different business domains, with 3 research and development centers and 1 international business hub. The group employs over 2,050 professionals, and its products reach more than 30 countries and regions worldwide. Breaking ground, gearing up. After years of dedication and accumulation in the hot-dip galvanizing field, in 2008, the group established Xuzhou Remarkable Metal Products Company Limited, pioneering domestic green and environmentally friendly hot-dip galvanizing. It possesses 7 environmentally friendly automated galvanizing production lines with leading domestic and international capabilities, boasting an annual hot-dip galvanizing production capacity of 500,000 tons. In 2009, the group established Jiangsu Guohua Tube Tower Manufacture Company Limited, marking its official entry into the metal processing industry, with leading tower design capabilities in the country and a prominent position in steel pipe pole production capacity. It quickly became a premium supplier to major enterprises such as State Grid, Southern Grid, and China Tower. In 2017, the group entered the hot-dip galvanizing equipment field by establishing Xuzhou Ruima Equipment Company Limited, supported by 3 major business segments, thus achieving an industry-leading position and earning numerous accolades. In 2019, the group established Jiangsu Elegant Engineering Technology Company Limited, achieving an annual production capacity of approximately 200,000 tons of high-frequency straight-seam weld steel pipes and over 100,000 tons of zinc aluminum magnesium pipes. In 2020, the group entered the continuous galvanizing industry by establishing Jiangsu Baohua Metal Materials Company Limited, building a modern digital factory integrating high-end, intelligent, green, and low-carbon principles. In the same year, the group established Jiangsu Duxing Youpin E-commerce Information Technology Company Limited, dedicating efforts to create the first industrial product e-commerce platform in the Huihong Economic Zone and the first nationwide industrial product customized procurement solution service platform, Youquan Gongping, with an efficient and collaborative digital supply chain for industrial products. It's the laser trend of the era. In the context of the new energy system, the group continues to deepen its power business. In 2021, it established Jiangsu EverShine Energy Technology Company Limited, focusing on the research, design, production, and sales of photovoltaic tracking support systems, flexible support systems, fixed support systems, BIPV systems, and energy storage integration systems, with an annual production capacity of 10 gigawatt for photovoltaic supports during the same period. Internal business synergy within the group was enhanced, with Jiangsu Haistong International Engineering Company Limited serving as a power construction EPC company, promoting mutual growth and synergy with the group's existing businesses such as photovoltaics and angle steel towers. In 2022, the group invested in and established Qingdao Yongruixiang Intelligent Technology Company Limited in Jiangsu, Qingdao. It is a digital new energy intelligent enterprise that integrates metal processing and metal surface treatment. The annual production capacity for angle steel towers and galvanization has both reached 80,000 tons. Born to build dreams, advancing with wisdom, Metavast's people closely follow the global development trends, aiming for the strategic goal of becoming a billion-dollar enterprise by 2025. We achieve synergetic growth across the entire industry chain, fostering matrix-like synchronous expansion. With a new starting point, we chart a new future. Metavast Group